Level 3's LIT system was made to simplify the lightening process, and today I'm here to show you how. My model Omar is a natural level 5, and today our goal is to actually take him to a level 9. The system includes our lightning powder and developers of 10, 20, and 30. I will be using 20, but keep in mind the higher the developer is, the faster it processes. In this scenario, I will be using a 1:2 ratio, which is 1 ounce of lightener to 2 ounces of developer. But if you need a more thicker consistency, then you can use a 1:1 ratio. We're going to be doing a split color today, and ideally you do want to start in the most dense area because it takes longer to penetrate into the hair. Now on Omar, he has high density in the front, so that is where I will be starting it. Having a clean section is really important during the application process, so feel free to go ahead and use hair clips or hair grips that better suits your client's hair needs. During the application process, you want to be sure you're combing through each section to ensure even saturation. Oftentimes, people ask me how much product to use when applying. I like to compare it to icing on a cake. After you finish applying, you want to go ahead and go back in to cross-check just to ensure you missed no spots. Now that I'm done with the application process, I'm going to apply foil. And the reason is because it entraps the scalp's natural heat. Processing time is up to 50 minutes, but you want to check it every 15 minutes to ensure even lift. I'll be using the Level 3 Violet shampoo to help cancel out any unwanted yellow tones. And the results are in. This is how easy it is to get Omar's hair from a level 5 to a 9 using Level 3's LIT system. Getting the perfect canvas has never been easier with Level 3. Now you're ready to go ahead and get creative with color. Catch you in the next one.